talk a little bit about Melodic Motion Etude number 5. This one's going to be all in the key of no sharps, no flats. We're going to be almost entirely in the 7th position here at the 7th fret. And this has some motion between 1, 4, and 5, the primary pillars of the key. So in this case, C major, F major, G7. If you haven't yet done so, I'd really appreciate it if you would subscribe. Please like, share, and leave a comment. You're welcome to leave a donation if you'd like. The PayPal information is in the description below. Now let's get to it. So this etude is going to tie together inversion shapes. And we're going to have root position. So root in the bass, in this case C. First inversion is E. Then F is the 4 chord with its first inversion, A note. Then G7, root in the bass, flat 7, coming down to C over E, which is first inversion, and approaching C from below. This is G over B, G7. So that leading tone sound of 7 to 1 for C. And the melodic line, we're going to have some repeated notes. So we're descending from a 10th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. C and E, 8 and 9, down to 7. Now we have doubled C's, 8 and 10. And we're going to bring our first inversion note E into this now. So now we have E and C, a 6th on the 7th and 10th fret. And using the bar, we're going to ascend C, D, E, 10, 7, and 9 on the 3rd string. So just playing this kind of a thing over and over can reinforce these shapes, and we could use them in other keys. So again, so that's the part for C. Now we're going to do the same kind of bass motion. F and A, 8 and 10 on strings 5 and 2, and descending 3, 2, 1, A, G, F. Frets 8 and 10, 8 and 8, then 3rd string, 10th fret. And we're going to put that A note in the bass, so first inversion F. And we're going to back up our melody. So a little lower neighbor and back up. This is 7 and 10, first inversion F, with backing up with E here on the 9th fret, F, E, F. Here I'm using little finger and first finger, so I can come in with second finger behind. I suppose you could bar this, but then sometimes you get overhang that might make the texture a little too cluttered. And now G7, right where we are, that flat 7 F is going to be paired with G, a flat 7 below. So G, 10th fret, F, 10th fret. This is root and flat 7. And we're going to have a descending melodic line on the 3rd string from F, E, D, and a little drop. So from G, F, E, D, and now F in the bass, it's the flat 7 in the bass, or 3rd inversion. And we're going to ascend from F, D, E, F, frets 8, 7, then 9 and 10. And now we're going to hit first inversion C again. You can hear the... We want to resolve to C. we're going to play a 10th here, E and G, 7th and 8th frets of the 5th and 2nd strings, coming on inside to the 3rd string, G, F, E on the 10th and 9th fret, and now we're going to have first inversion G7, 7th fret of the 6th string, 10th fret of the 2nd string. It's a B and an A, G, down to F, 10th fret of the 3rd string. That's the whole line. That's the bass line. That's what's running the show. In this style, the bass line definitely runs the show. I hope you found something of interest here, something that can help you in your own playing. If you have questions or comments, again, please leave them below. If you have ideas for future videos, please let me know. And I wish you a very, very good day.